We can have the most expensive ad campaign in the world, but if the listing is invisible to Amazon's algorithm, we are basically just donating money to Jeff Bezos. Most sellers think optimization simply means finding the highest volume keyword and stuffing it into the title 5 times. That is 2018 logic, and in 2026 keyword stuffing doesn't just look bad, it actually hurts your ranking because the algorithm has evolved. It now prioritizes click-through rate and natural language over raw keyword density. So this video is specifically designed for sellers who want to create a listing that ranks well in the algorithm but also converts for humans. To understand why most listings fail, we have to understand the difference between indexing and ranking. Indexing is just being in the library. So you just put the word pillow in the title and Amazon knows that you are selling a pillow. But ranking means actually getting picked off the shelf. The Amazon's A9 algorithm is no longer just matching words. It basically asking when a customer searches for neck pain relief, do they actually click this product? If the title is messy keyword salad that looks like a robot wrote it, humans won't click. And if humans don't click, Amazon assumes your product is irrelevant and they bury you on a page 50. So we need to treat our listing as an architecture designed to solve this specific problem. We use the title for ranking, that's keywords. We use bullet points for conversion, it's a psychology. And we use the backend for discovery, this means a voice search. The goal is to fit these three pieces together perfectly. Since I'm a lazy person and I like to do this automatically, I created this Amazon listing optimization master, and I can use this for all of my products for unlimited time. I will show you how this tool works. Before we get into it, make sure to go to the link in the description, check out the website, download the tool, and also if you want you can check out the freebie that I rotate every week so you can get a feeling how my tools actually work. Now let's look at how this tool builds that architecture for us. The left side is our optimization engine, and it forces you to input the data that actually matters to the modern algorithm. It asks you for a product name and core features. For example, we can add cooling gel technology or washable bamboo cover here in the features. Next, it asks for your primary keywords, and this is critical because you need to tell the system exactly what you want to rank for, like orthopedic pillow or side sleeper pillow. Then it asks for your target price. This might seem irrelevant for SEO, but the AI uses this to determine the tone of the copy. So a $50 pillow needs premium language, while a $10 pillow needs a value language. Okay? So actually the target price is very important here. And finally it asks for your audience. Is this for adult side sleepers or people with neck pain? The system uses this to write emotional hooks that speak directly to the buyer's pain points. So after you gather this, you can do this for all of your products. You just click here generate a listing prompt, just click copy prompt and simply paste it into ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok or any AI you want, hit run. And when we got the result, you can see that AI builds a fully optimized listing section by section. So let me just run through this so you can understand how powerful this is. First, we look at the title. It doesn't just say memory foam pillow. It says ergonomic memory foam pillow for side sleepers with cooling gel. You can see that it integrates the primary keyword, the user benefit, and the defining feature in the first 80 characters, which is exactly what the mobile algorithm looks for. Next, look at the bullet points, and you can immediately notice the structure. It uses benefit first headers. Instead of just listing 30% US foam, it says certified materials you can trust. So you can see here that it sells the result before it explains the feature, which is the psychological trigger that drives conversion. Also, we have a nice SEO optimized description and backend keywords. The system automatically generates a list of invisible keywords like misspelling, voice search variations, and for example, hey Alexa, buy best pillow. These are the keywords you never see, but they are often the difference between 10 sales a day and a 50. As you can see, this tool ensures that every single character in your listing is working to make you money. So download the tool and generate your optimization prompt and stop letting your traffic leak out of a bad listing. But remember, even a perfect listing can lose money if you don't understand your true profit margins. There are lots of hidden costs on Amazon that most sellers ignore until it's too late. That danger and how to calculate your real profit is explained in this video over here. I hope it will be very useful to you. And as always, my bad outro, I don't have anything to say, but besides, good luck on Amazon with your selling, and see you in some other video.